I tried to scream, but my voice was gone. And they stole every part of me I used to own. I was taken to another world, couldn't find any of my fears or hopes. I became someone that I didn't know, lost somewhere I'd never been before.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you finding or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time.
So fam, right now I'm making breakfast. I already have smoothie and I'm just making this plantain and spinach sauce. This is my breakfast stroke lunch. Then after I take my breakfast, we'll step out to go do a little bit of shopping. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please keep on watching. So guys, I just finished from the bank and Spectanet office, so now we are going to go and do a little shopping.
S22 plus.
Yeah, I'm going to go and do a little shopping. So, see you guys. Yeah.
Is that like penny? Is that like penny? Your this is penny. Let's go and pick this for Papa. Mayonnaise, ketchup. Don't have things. Mama, don't touch anything there.
No, leave it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. So fam, here's my shopping list. I'm just shopping for this few stuff, but I bought more than this few stuff. If you know, you know. You want to carry it? Eh? Can you carry it? Let's go now. Let's go.
Pickles. Don't touch it. I'll beat you. This is the sweet one. Sweet one. Hey, sweet and sour. Huh? Mama, leave it. Mama, why are you walking like this now? Walk well. Canto for kids. Come on.
So I decided to get this canto for kids, for Munachism for her hair. I decided to get this one because she needs leave-in condition. As she's growing, her hair is changing, so we need to start applying things on the hair. Come now. What are you afraid of? Eh? Oh yeah, let's go. She's scared. She's scared though. She's scared. Daughter is scared. So fam, I saw these made in Korea face masks and I was like, wow, let me try it. So I decided to go with the aloe vera and the honey, and they have so many different ones. So I was just like looking at the ingredients and looking at the prices as well. I decided to just go for these two. Like this is my first time trying this, so I decided to go for the ones I know, and I also went for this avocado. So you know what you know is what will work for you. Yeah. So after that, this is at the skincare. I also saw this other one. I was like, I'm not too sure. like, should I pick it, should I not pick it? But I didn't pick it, I dropped that. Then I also went to the section for babies to look for baby girls shower gel. They didn't have the particular shower gel I was looking for. I also saw some face wash. So far I'm here, I came to get some things for hobby. So I'll just showing you guys what this shisha shop looks like. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog. This is just a little chill vlog, and I hope you're enjoying the music and also the write-up. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. So right now we're on our way home, but I'm gonna stop by another store to check out for more flowers, because like I'm loving flowers, candle, this kind of vibe. Yeah, so please keep on watching. These are the things I got. Some paprika, face masks, mayonnaise, ketchup, canto for baby girl. Sorry, pickles. So far I'm here, I'm slicing some mango for us to munch on for some snacks for night. Yeah, so I'm just slicing this mango. Then this is for baby girl because she was right there with me, she wanted to eat, so I decided to give her. I also slice for hubby and also slice for myself, so please keep on
understanding. You respected every boundary. You're so exciting, wasn't expecting for you to be here still. I don't think you know. I don't think you know what you're doing to me. I'm blossoming. I'm blossoming. I'm blossoming. I'm blossoming. I'm blossoming.
Fam, do you eat your mango like this? Like, see the way I'm just munching this mango. This mango was so delicious, like it was so sweet. I had to like scrape out the whole body, like make the mango be mangoless. Yeah, on my meal, just playing around.
I'm blossoming. I'm blossoming. You know.
So fam, now is my evening skincare routine, my night care routine. Yeah, so first of all, I've already done my hair routine. I've already sprinkled my hair, and now I tied it, and I'm using this Dove soap. This bar soap is really, it smells so amazing. Like I'm just using to cleanse my face. Yeah, I'm just cleansing my face. Then I'll rinse this out. My small madam is there with me. Oh my god. Yeah, so I'm just going to be rinsing this out. Like after I rinse this out, I'll go to the next. I have another face cleanser I'll use to cleanse my face also. Yeah, so I will use this face towel to dry my face. Then this is another face cleanser. I bought this when I went shopping earlier on. This is from Pierre's. Yeah, so this is antibacterial face cleanser, just to remove bacteria from your face and the rest. So I was like, okay, let me give this a try. So I decided to buy it. Yeah, so I'm just washing my face for the second time to remove any germs and all that. So I'm drying my face again. Then I'm using a coffee scrub on my face. I don't scrub my face all the time. Yeah, I don't scrub my face all the time, so it's been a while I scrubbed my face. I decided to scrub my face today. So this is a coffee scrub, DIY coffee scrub. I'm just going to use this to scrub my face, and after this I will rinse it out. So this is the mask we are going to be using today. I got this earlier on today, so I'll be using this aloe vera mask on my face. And guys, this aloe vera mask smells so good. Like, it was so cool on my face. Like, fam, this is so amazing. Skincare is amazing. It's not, but the after result is always amazing. Like, this made my face look and feel so soft. My face was so cool. Like, there was a nice feeling to this. Yeah, so this is just me making sure I put the mask all over my face, and I will chill and relax with a book I'm reading, which I'll show you guys in the next clip. Then I also got this Victoria's Secret perfume, like body mint. Yeah, just to smell good. Like, it's good to smell good. So far, this is me trying to read my book and eat my mango. Yeah, how to be a lady. And my small madam also wants to eat mango, so we are sharing it together. So I decided to move to another chair so that I can also use the light and read my book. This book is so interesting, like how to be a lady. They give you tips on when you and a guy goes on a date, who is supposed to pay for the bill. Is it the guy or the lady? Let me know. If you and a guy goes for a date, is it the guy that will pay for the food, or you are supposed to pay for the meal? Let me know. Yeah, so this book is just like showing you, asking you questions and giving you the answers to any date, whether date, marriage, relationship. Yeah, how to act like a lady in public and all that. So I stumbled on this book in my sister's house, and I was like, okay, let me read this book. Yeah, so this is what I did for today. And yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you've watched to this end and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I put a new one, and also like and comment and share. Thank you all so much for the love and the support. You guys are the best of the best, and I'll see you all in my next one. Signing out from here.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story.
I'm never leaving my guy for another guy just because he's got more than my guy. Because trust and believe, if I like you, if I love you, it's because I see your greatness. I couldn't give a shit if you was a street cleaner at that time. I see your greatness. That's why I'm with you. I see the king in you.